for our audience, they may say, oh, this is exciting and this looks like a lot of fun.
Right.
But how am I going to get a job? I can't get a job playing with magnets.
Okay.
Or can you get a job playing with magnets?
Certainly.
How can people get a job doing things like this?
You can become a professor,
Yes,
and then you spend your entire life playing with magnets. But yeah, there are many jobs out there. You know, I'm here to talk about physics, and so I'll let you know about the jobs that are available in physics. Now, one of the things that are very, very important now in terms of jobs is the production of physics teachers. In this state and pretty much every other state in the country. In this state in particular, there are many physics teachers who will be retiring over the next 10, 20 years. And so we need to replace those teachers. And physics teaching is a noble profession. And if I can encourage students out there who wish to enter a noble profession, then I will do so with my entire being. Physics teaching is an important aspect of the whole STEM experience, and so we certainly need more physics teachers. Another possibility in terms of jobs is in research and development at companies such as IBM and Intel. These are semiconductor companies, and they do other things as well. And as you know, semiconductor technology changes pretty much every second, right? It's advancing pretty much every second. And so doing work in research and development is very, very important, and a lot of physicists find jobs in that industry. I'll just mention one more thing. As a radiologist, you mentioned weightlifting. At some point, if you don't do it right, you'll probably hurt yourself and need to go for an MRI.
Yes.
But I'm sure you're doing it right, so you won't need that. But people like me, every now and again, we do things wrong and we need to go and get an MRI. And you might take these things for granted, but it requires a high level of expertise in order to interpret these images. And so radiologists are very, very important in the healthcare field right now, and physicists find themselves doing radiology more and more at this point in time. And so that's certainly another field that is burgeoning, and another possibility for students out there who are contemplating entering the STEM field.